Hey everybody, Right Polo Tech here. In this video, I'm going to show you guys this Backpacker's Salt and Pepper Shaker. Now I'm going to tell you the 3 reasons why I decided to pick this one. And it's A, because it's really small and it stows away in my pack really easily. B, it's refillable with 2 different spices of your choice. And C, it actually comes out really consistently when you shake it out of the shaker portion of it. So anyways, I'm gonna show you size comparisons of this, and I'm gonna show you how to refill it, and I'm gonna show it in action as you're shaking it out, just so I can show you everything you need to know about this salt and pepper shaker. Here we go, let's get down to it. So the first thing I wanna show you guys is a size comparison here. These are things that you probably either have in your backpack already or lying around the house. So this is a mini Bic lighter. Standard chapstick, and this is a AA battery. So I just kind of want to show you really quickly, you know, it's not much thicker and it's definitely just a little bit taller. It's shorter than a chapstick and also just a little wider. And then, you know, it's about almost exactly the same height as a mini Bic lighter here. So anyways, that just gives you a good size comparison of this. Right now I'm going to show you how to go ahead and fill it. Take this cap off. Like that's the big end here. I'm filling mine with Lowry seasoned salt because I love Lowry seasoned salt. I'm just going to take a piece of paper here, another one on top of that. I'm just going to dump some on it, and then I'm going to use that as my funnel. And I'm just going to quite simply just dump it in on top of this other paper. If I spill it a little bit, it's not a big deal. I can just take that other piece of paper and put it right back into the jar. But anyways, that's that side filled up. Do the same thing for the pepper. And then I screw the caps back on. All right, now I want to show you in action. So once these 2 are on tight on the ends, you take the inside one and you loosen it here. And that is actually where your little shakers are. So this is how it shakes out. You can see, pretty consistent. So yeah. And then I take it and I just screw it back on like that. And then you loosen up the other side. And there's the holes for the pepper, and let's see what the pepper looks like. So yeah, I mean, it's a pretty good consistent shake out of there, I think. All right. And then when you're done with it, you just simply screw it back together and toss it in your bag. Well, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, hit that like button for me. Also, leave me a comment, let me know what you think. Also, consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.